right, well, the old girl fired up nicely. It's all nice and warm from sitting in the shop there for the last few days. And man, over the last 2 weeks, we got a pile of snow. I've been plowing for like at least 10 days straight. So anyways, if you like snowplow videos, check those ones out. But today, we're gonna take the tractor and we're gonna test out the blade. And we're gonna see how those half tracks work, shoving some deep. And now the snow's gotten quite hard. So if you watch my videos, the first storm was raining as well, so it got quite slushy. Then the next couple days later, it froze. And this lane we were about to plow hasn't been plowed yet. And the car is starting to bottom out on it. Or the SUV is bottoming out on it, rather. If it was a car, they'd still be parked there. So we're gonna go try with this first and see if we can scrape that up, because that is gonna be a hard push. Let's see if we can get the blade angled, actually. So whoever's put this tab on here to make it easy to pull up, it seemed like a good idea, but we can't angle it all the way over because I can't get it in from the corner of that right there. So it's fine for the middle couple, but when you're trying to angle it all the way, it just won't go in. So I guess I'll have to remove this tab. I did leave half the rope on there, so it's still giving me something to pull up on if there's snow or something up on here. So that should work well. Alright, let's test this beastie out. I'm wondering if the snow is going to be too hard that it may not want to steer, and the angle of the blade may force the front of the tractor over. Worst case, we'll set the blade straight and then try to pick away at it that way. But all we can do is try and see what happens. All right, well, we were doing pretty good until this let go here. So this bent out. So nothing broke that I can see. Oh, that's what happened. Okay, that right there broke a bolt. So broke that bolt out and then it came unsnapped. So that there is supposed to be over on top of that. On top of that, I don't know if you can see. Not sure if I'm holding the camera well, but anyways, yeah, so that's what happened. We lost a bolt, which is no big deal. We can fix that. Not right now, unfortunately. I think what I'm gonna have to try to do is either limp it back to the shop or limp it off to the side for now until we can get over here and get that fixed. I might just try to limp it back to the shop. See how that goes. Sorry, in case you're wondering, the shop's not that far. It's literally right there through the trees. This is the driveway just past the shop. So I'm gonna see if I can get spun around and limp it back over there. Well, I managed to get turned around and faced up the driveway properly. But what's trying to do is, obviously, because there's no tension here, it's trying to roll. So I'm just gonna wander over to the shop, grab some wire, and just see if I can sort of temporarily scab this together. It'll be loose, but to get it back into the shop. All right, well, there you have it. It's extremely temporary. Only have to go up there, but let's see if she holds together. All right, moment of truth. Well, we've made it 15 feet and it's still going. Well, this could take a few minutes, so I'll let you know if something interesting happens. Well, we're coming up on the shop now. Back in front of it anyway. And we're going to attempt a turn. Going pretty well there. Okay then, that worked out. All right, well, wasn't perfect, but it got me home. All in all, the little tractor did well. And in case anyone's wondering, there's still no scratches on that blade, so that's cool. Anyway, it did quite well. It actually did about how I expected it to do, aside from I didn't expect the bolt to break on the track. But anyway, it is quite light, so I knew that hard-packed frozen snow was going to push it around, but it did shove quite hard. The tracks, I would say, they don't grip the ice any more than chains would, but they would keep you afloat more on the deeper snow, which I will test it out. I might just drop the blade off at some time once we fix the tracks and just take it for a drive through the like 2 feet of snow we have and see how far it makes it. But anyways, yeah, it did quite well. So now I guess I got to go finish that laneway. I have one of the plow trucks warmed up, so let's go clean that up. Well, that made short work of that. All in all, like I said, tractor did well, but I'd still, comfort and heat in the truck is still much nicer to plow with. But no, the tractor definitely did as well as I expected it to do for such a smaller, light tractor. And those tracks did work quite well up until the point they broke. But anyways, got this cleaned up. I'll just back drag where I'm standing behind their car here and then shove it over and we'll call that good. But anyways, that's it for you guys. I'll do another video of fixing that track and testing it out in the deep snow, see how it does there. But yeah, thanks for watching.